Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Bluetooth speaker setting in our Tecno phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Tecno phone guys. Any Bluetooth speaker guys you want to connect with your Tecno phone, so guys you can connect. And guys, now let's see how to connect it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So it's now time to start video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. To connect your Bluetooth speaker guys, scroll, click on more connection setting on your Bluetooth guys, and first of all guys, on your Bluetooth speaker. So first button guys, you can see guys, I will press here, then it will on. And guys, second guys, Bluetooth. First of all guys, click on your Bluetooth, then guys it will connect. And guys, on your Bluetooth with refresh. After guys, you can see guys your Bluetooth speaker name. So guys, I have got this JBL speaker, so I will click on my JBL speaker, then it will connect automatic active in your Tecno phone. So then guys, you can use your Bluetooth speaker while listening song like that. So I hope friends you've understood how to connect Bluetooth speaker to our Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye my friends.